Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Oppo in India, the Oppo A12. So Oppo A12 was announced in India this week, and this device comes in two variants, the 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, priced at 9990. That's almost 10,000 rupees. And there is also 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant, which is priced higher at around 11,490. That's 11,500 rupees. So in this video we'll do the unboxing. We'll show you the box contents, then we'll have a look at the features being offered. We'll also talk about the specifications. So this is the Oppo A12. You can see that this has a dual camera setup, and this has larger capacity battery as well. So this is the box package. So the box package looks quite similar to the Oppo F15 box package as well. So here we have the back of the box mentions the hardware specifications, 6.22 inches HD plus water drop screen. Then you get AI dual rear cameras, 4230 mAh large capacity battery, fingerprint sensor, and AI face unlock. And so we have the 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and we have the black variant with us. So let's just open the box. We'll also show you the SAR value. So you can see that the SAR value, head SAR is 1.16 and the body SAR is 0.56. So that's the SAR value of this device. So let's just peel off the sticker and open the box package. We'll also talk about the camera. It has a dual camera. It's AI dual camera. So let's just take this out. So you can see that this has a case included, so it's a standard TPU case included. There is a SIM ejector pin included. Then the Oppo manual and warranty information is included. Then you get the Oppo A12. So this is the device. So let's just take this out. So there you go. You can see that there is a pattern on the back panel. You can see that it has a matte finish. So we have a fingerprint sensor, dual cameras, and you can see that the finishing also looks quite good. So let's just keep this device and we'll come back to that in a while. So you get the adapter. So it's again a micro USB adapter. So there is no USB Type-C. It's the standard micro USB adapter. Then you get the charger. So this is the standard charger which comes with the box package. Output is 5 volt 2 ampere. That's 10 watt standard charging is included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. So you can see that 6.22 inches HD plus resolution display. You can see the display quality looks quite okay. The brightness levels are definitely good. The overall color reproduction also looks quite good for an HD plus resolution display. Now this has a fingerprint scanner and a dual camera setup, LED flash included. We have the power key on the right side, the volume rocker keys and the SIM trays on the left side. The bottom section houses the micro USB charging port and the 3.5mm audio jack along with the speaker unit, and top portion does not have any openings. Now let's see the software. So this device comes with, let's see the software first. There you go, about phone. So it has Android 9 actually, no Android 10, so Android 9, 4GB RAM, and in fact this comes with ColorOS version 6. In fact ColorOS 7 has already been released, so this device does not have that. It comes with ColorOS 6.1.2, and Android version is also not the latest one. It's Android 9. It has 4GB RAM and a 64GB internal storage, and Android security patch level is from April 5th 2020. So ColorOS 7 could have been provided. Then you get some additional options as well, smart services, convenient tools. So all the ColorOS features are included here as well. So that's the software aspect. Now let's go to the camera. So this device comes with a dual camera setup. So we have a primary 13 megapixel camera included on this device. So let's just have a look at the camera as well. So this is the camera UI, and you get a 2 megapixel depth sensor as well. So you get all the features. You can see that video recording, portrait mode included. Let's see what else is there. Time lapse and stickers, expert mode is there. No night mode included. So let's see the video quality. So let's just go to the video and select the video quality. So 1080p at 30 fps is supported, and 720p is also supported. So here are some camera samples taken with the Oppo A12 after unboxing the device. Now the device comes with a 4230 mAh capacity battery, which is definitely a good capacity battery, and it should last for more than a day easily because it's an HD plus resolution display and a larger capacity battery. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo A12. So you can see that this is the device. It's quite a decent device in terms of specification. It may not be really competitive when you compare with the Xiaomi and Realme, but it does offer decent options. One of the disappointing aspects we felt was Android 9 and ColorOS 6.1. In fact, both have the latest version, but they are not provided on this device. Otherwise, it is quite a decent device in terms of the specs being offered. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo A12. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.